I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla fudge. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of butter, and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. Don't forget 7 ounces of marshmallow cream and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Before you start cooking, line a 9 by 13-inch pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 3 cups of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of butter, and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. Place the pan over medium heat and stir constantly until the butter melts and the sugar dissolves. Once it reaches a full rolling boil, continue stirring for exactly 5 minutes. This precise timing is crucial for the fudge's texture. Remove it from the heat immediately after 5 minutes. With the mixture off the heat, it's time for the final touch. Quickly add the 7 ounces of marshmallow cream and stir vigorously until it's completely melted and smooth. Then, incorporate the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing it in thoroughly. Pour the hot fudge into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan. Spread it evenly with a spatula. Now, the hardest part. Let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours or until firm. After your vanilla fudge has completely set, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Use the parchment paper overhang to easily lift the entire block of fudge from the pan. Place it on a cutting board and using a sharp knife, cut it into 1-inch squares. This makes for perfect, bite-sized treats. Share it with friends and family or keep it all to yourself. And hey, while you're treating yourself, why not treat your car too? Check the description for a link to grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.